welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about the Venmo tap to pay on your iPhone. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you use Apple Pay with your Venmo tap to pay iPhone? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too much to go over. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to know how to use Apple Pay with Venmo tap to pay iPhone? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you're running a small business and you have installed Venmo tap to pay iPhone, but one of your customers wants to use their Apple Pay to pay you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Venmo app. It's this blue and white one here on the top left. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open up my Venmo app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Venmo app. This is the home screen. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know this video is assuming you've already installed the Venmo tap to pay iPhone. If you need help with that, setting it up and also installing it, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. Again, this is assuming you already have it on your iPhone. Also, another thing I want to touch on is if you're wondering if you can accept Apple Pay with your Venmo tap to pay iPhone, the answer is yes, you can. So basically what you're going to do is once you're here in your Venmo business account, you're going to click on charge down here on the bottom center. It looks like the Venmo logo. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these three options and you want to click on this one, tap to pay on iPhone. Okay, so here you can go ahead and disclose how much you're going to charge your customer. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to put $1. Also on my Venmo business account, I did disclose a 10% sales tax. That's going to depend on your area. Again, this is something you set up during the setup process. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes setting up your Venmo business tap to pay iPhone. So let me go ahead and delete this for this particular transaction. Here you can go ahead and add a note, and that way your customer remembers what this transaction was for in the future. And once you're ready to go ahead and accept Apple Pay with your Venmo tap to pay iPhone, click on this button here, tap to pay on iPhone. Okay, so at this point, you're going to go ahead and switch the phone over to your customer so they can choose if they're going to be adding a tip if you added that feature into your setup. Also, they'll be able to see what the transaction dollar amount is. So I'll click on no tip. Here is where your customer can use their Apple Pay to pay with their iPhone. They're going to go ahead and connect their wallet close to here, and then your iPhone's going to go ahead and read that into Venmo, and you will hear a clicking sound. So I'm going to use my credit card since I don't have two cell phones to do this. Okay, see, it processes. So this particular card I don't use anymore. So obviously it was declined, but generally your customer is going to use their Apple Pay iPhone and hold it near to the top here. And that's why they have all those little sparkly glittery things. And then you're going to hear a ding, and then it's going to show them that the payment was approved. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering if you can use your Apple Pay with your Venmo tap to pay iPhone, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.